nagka-problema pala kami. Yan kami ng violation ni YouTube.
You gotta understand that we get...
Ayun oh, yun daw si Roland oh. Gagarden, tsaka vlogger. May surprise sa atin, may surprise. Yay! Thank you for the surprise.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Mami.
Happy birthday.
Sabi ko kasi wag na maganda, naganda-ping. Ang cute na ito, gusto-gusto ko to. Pinanghanda natin ngayon sardinas, hotdog, tsaka oatmeal. Ang cute to. Mukha ko ba?
Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Yay!
Happy birthday, dear birthday to you. Akala nyo, ganyan-ganyan lang yan. Napaka-juicy niyan, guys. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Daddy.
So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better.
Manlilibre daw si Amy.
Lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer.
Chicken, pizza, beef, I think, and with cauliflower. Woo!
Yun, di kumakain ng gulay, oh. Someone else is not eating vegetables right there, oh.
No, actually I am garlic. This is garlic bread. The garlic thing.
It doesn't count.
It does count.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you. It's always been you, Jesus. It's always been you, Emmanuel.
After church, you would always go to Jollibee.
Dito naman kami ngayon sa Catholic Church. Actually, ano kami, Catholic talaga kami ni Amy. Pero since yung mga kapatid ko tsaka yung parents ko, Christian sila. Nag-Christian church din kami. Pero wala naman kaming pinipili din. Kahit ano naman, open naman kami. As long as ano siya, Christian.
Always been you, Jesus. It's always been you, Emmanuel. Morning has broken, windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens to my
$20 my brokerage. I'm gonna pay off your guys' credit card.
I don't even, we don't even own credit card. What are you talking about? Pay the mortgage. How about that?
Is that even a thing? Like
Pay our mortgage.
like I can pay it and there's gonna be like you don't have to pay it, like it paid off. Is that such a thing?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe.
Dito kami. I'll see you later, ha? Libini, iwan ko muna sila sa Five Below. May mga ano kasi doon, mga Sanrio. Alam mo naman si Asha tsaka si Amy mahilig sa Sanrio. Dito ako sa labas, maglalakad-lakad lang ako kasi medyo ano ako eh. Nag-cheat tayo ng palabok. Kaya baka tumaas yung blood sugar, maglalakad-lakad lang. So far, ang blood sugar is 154. Nakakatuwa lang kasi nag-Jollibee kami kanina, may nakakilala sa amin. Shoutout kay Ate Mayet, kay Nanay Josie, kay Kuya JR, tsaka doon sa anak nila si Jordan. Yun, na-meet namin kanina, binati kami. Nakakatuwa kasi may nakapagpa-picture kami. Ate Mayet, si Nanay Josie, JR, si Jordan.
The
Corderos, yan. Nanonood sila sa amin. Ka-vlog natin. Tama. Thank you, thank you. Thank you po. Ingat po kayo sa pagbalik nyo. Kailan uwi nyo? September. Matagal pa. Sige ate, ano naman ka? Sige po, sige po. Nice to meet you. Sige po ba? Thank you guys. Bye Jordan. Thank you po. Pagpa-picture kami. Naiya nga kami ni Amy. Sabi ko, paano ba tayo magpapalitrato sa kanila? Nakakatuwa lang. Shoutout uli sa inyo. Thank you uli sa panonood nyo.
How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine. Ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile and the bar. How could they say I was broken?
Sa kabila meron.
Luma, oh.
Parata. Ayun o. Cute eh. Sunod.
Ang cute, no? Ganun talaga.
Oh, gas dito sa San Francisco, oh. It's not bad. Dito.
Ayun yung presyo.
Oh, yan lang, oh. Wow. Mura lang.
Ayun yung ano nito.
Oh, ganda. Lalaki ng puno, oh.
Oh my god, the tree.
Right?
Taba.
Tapos dito sa kabilang side, mga iconic na mga bahay, mga luma, oh, di ba? Ganda ng view nila kasi dito sila sa mga sa park.
Stay in the left 2 lanes.
Dito na kami. Dito na may mga mga layas. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Oopsie. Welcome to San Francisco. Kami guys, ang lamig. Ang lamig. Di katulad sa amin, 100 degrees. Dito nasa 60 lang. Baon na naman kayo, baon, sandwich. Ganda naman dito, ang daing lalaki ng puno. Gawin na kaya natin dito yung bago nating intro. Ha? Dito na tayo mag-intro. Ha? Ganda dito guys. Sabi ko kay Amy, gawa na kami ng bagong intro. Kasi nga, problema pala kami sa YouTube. Kasi, nigyan kami ng violation ni YouTube. Yung song daw namin na ginagamit dun sa intro namin, may nag-claim ng copyright. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga last few vlogs namin, hindi kami naglalagay ng intro kasi nga hinaharang ni YouTube dahil meron daw nagki-claim. Pero matagal na namin ginagamit yung wala namang kaming naging issue.
Tsaka
ayun.
binayaran mo yun, no?
Oo, binayaran ko yun eh. Ewan ko ba. Tapos pag dinidispute ko, nananalo naman kami. Kaya lang, tuwing nag-upload ako, parati ako magdi-dispute. So, nakakasawa kasi it takes days din bago maklear. Kaya sabi namin, pabayaan mo na. Hindi ko na lang siya ipopost kasi hassle pa sa amin. Ngayon nagandahan kami dito, sabi namin, subukan namin, sabi ko, palitan na lang namin yung intro namin. Kung ano yung mga shots namin dito, yun na lang gagamitin namin.
be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away. Until we make up, I can't be myself. I never knew how much I need.
Molding Kalansay mula sa tatlong di ko.
Should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do.
Yan guys, oh, puting buwaya. Akala ko peke, tas kumurap, tas gumalaw yung kamay. Yung paa pala. Paa ba yan o kamay? Tatawanan nyo ako, ha. Sabi ko, akala ko peke, tapos biglang kumurap. Yeah, it moved. Look at the arms. I thought it was fake. Look at the eyes carefully. Okay. No, what? What is that?
Be quiet.
I'm sorry. Be quiet daw. Oo, gumalaw. Oh, ay maniwala. Tingnan mo, hintayin natin dito. Hindi tayo uwi hanggang di gumagalaw to. Kumurap ka. Para makaalis na kami. Gumalaw yung braso eh. Ano na lang daw, 100 to 200 na lang daw yung ganitong klaseng buhaya, yung albino. Tapos yung isa nga nandito sa San Francisco. Kala ko nga peke eh. Tapos biglang kumurap. Kailangan makuha ko sa video, kundi hindi tayo uuwi. Kumurap, di ba?
Oo, baka motor.
Di ko nakuna pero kumurap, nakita ni Amy. Kinindatan siya eh. Ang ganda raw si Amy. Sabi niya, ang ganda ng chicks. Kumindat. Guys, mukhang nalugi yung $180 namin, ha. Mistisang buwaya lang yung natuwa ako. Isa kakita tayo ng mistisang buwaya.
Should have been you. That should have been you.
Theft alert. Do not leave valuables in your car. Ayun. Dito kami ngayon sa may hindi ko alam pangalan nito. Wala, magsa-sightseeing lang kami kasi dito kita mo yung Golden Gate Bridge. I think this is Crissy Field Park. Tama ba? Parang ganun. So yun. Lakad-lakad lang kami. Ayun, nakakatakot lang doon sa may parking kasi all over the place meron talagang nakalagay na sign na huwag kayo mag-iiwan ng mga mahalagang bagay sa mga sasakyan nyo kasi mukhang talaga talamak ang nakawan at pasagan ng sasakyan dito. First time namin dito, sana maganda naman yung experience na ma-experience namin dito. Yun, sana hindi naman kami mabasagan. Ayan guys, yung Golden Gate Bridge, ganda ng view dito. Yun lang, medyo malayo-layo lang siya pero ayun siya. Yun guys, pauwi na kami. Grabe, naka 12 hours yata kami dito sa San Francisco since nung dumating kami kanina. Ayun, pagod na to mga kasama ko. Guys, tired?
Yes.
Ayun. So, we'll see kung hopefully meron kaming enough footage kasi gumawa rin kami ng pang-intro namin ngayong birthday ni Amy. At ayun, pagod na pagod. Tingnan natin. So kung nakagawa ako ng intro, i-play ko dito sa end ng video. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa lagi panonood. Ito ng mga bata makukulit. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
A very tiring day, right? Okay. So ayun guys, kung nagustuhan niyo yung video namin, don't forget to hit the like button. Ayun si Mami, oh. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Daddy.
Guys, say bye-bye na. We'll see you again on our next vlog. Bye!
It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know